I do a little road test video of the 57 Chevy Bel Air two-door hardtop. This was a rotisserie restoration that ended up getting a couple little modifications, including big stereo, add-on AC, Edelbrock carburetor, and aluminum intake. But you can see it's got factory power brakes and power steering, and the correct original intake manifold and carburetor and air cleaner, everything's here with the car. So it's just to change the intake and carb, but go back to original. So this one actually is excellent condition and beautiful car. And like I said, it was a rotisserie restoration, so it's just this nice underneath the car as well. And there's a good shot of the doors. And you know, when you restore a car, you want to see original CAD plated stuff and chrome plated hardware and all that. You don't want to see it oversprayed with somebody's paint gun that they didn't bother to take things apart and do it right way. So there we go. This is what we've got, and we'll get in it and go for a ride. And I'm gonna hand the camera over to my cameraman Bob. So this time we'll have somebody holding the camera and watching where I'm going and what's going on with the car, so you can't complain about how I handle the camera. So here we go. A lot of the two-door hardtops have wind noise and rattles. This one is actually pretty tight. It goes down the road really good. So let's see how we go here. That's about half throttle. Now I'm up to 40 plus, and it's going down the road nice and smooth. It's quiet. Handles good. I'm going to make a right turn here, and there's the power brakes coming on. I guess I should have warned Bob I was going to hit the brakes. Alright, oh, we got somebody stopped in the road up here, so let's see how that works out for us. We're in the Napa Valley. It's about time for us to call it spring. It's a great clear day. Getting late in the day, so we're just getting close to sundown. I'm at 50 miles an hour now, and that's actually what the speed limit used to be on this stretch of road. But you can tell the Chevy is nice and smooth, going straight down the road. Gauge is working, temperature about center. We're good to go here. Steering wheel is not shaking and doesn't pull right or left when I brake. Turn signals are working. We're going to make a right turn here and go around the corner here. Power steering is great. No noise in the power steering. Nice car. If you want to get your hands on a really nice 57 Chevy two-door hardtop, this is it right here. I don't know that you can get anything better unless it's a hangar queen. This is a driver. It's very good quality car that can be taken to a car show and enjoyed for years to come. So there you go. Hope you liked the video, and I'll just have Bob push the button that turns it off, and we're good to go. The red button.